Hey everyone! Take a look at what I made this time. This is TaTaTa Sahur, an Italian brain rot character. In this video, I'll show the whole fun process of how I made him. And yes, I hid a few characters in the video. If you spot them, count how many you saw and write it in the comments. Just to be clear, TaTaTa Sahur is not a Sprunki. He's a completely made-up brain rot character, and he has nothing to do with music, rhythm, or singing. He exists purely to be weird, confusing, and slightly uncomfortable. He looks like a walking teapot with legs, a round brown body, a lid on top like a tiny hat, a spout that releases steam, and long floppy arms that move however they want. His big eyes always look worried, like he's unsure why he's here or what he's supposed to do next. He doesn't perform, he doesn't dance, he doesn't follow a beat. The only thing he does is repeat his nonsense phrase, TaTaTa Sahur, for no reason at all. In true brain rot fashion, there is no deep lore, no meaning, no message. He just appears, makes the chant louder, and refuses to explain himself. The more you think about him, the worse it gets. So yeah, this is TaTaTa Sahur. Not a Sprunki, not a musician, just pure Italian brain rot energy that exists only to live rent-free in your head.